Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's feature is something truly eye-catching, fun, and practical. The 2025 Yellow Tricycle Camper Home. Yes, it's bold. Yes, it's yellow. But more importantly, it's one of the smartest and most compact ways to hit the road with everything you need right behind your seat. If you enjoy clever travel designs and future-ready living, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a futuristic animation. Its sunshine yellow body, sleek curves, and lightweight build make it instantly memorable. But this isn't just about looks. This little camper is built for real-world adventuring. It's fully electric, whisper quiet, and designed for solo travelers or minimalist couples who crave the freedom to explore without the burden of a bulky RV. Under the hood, or rather under the seat, is a quiet electric motor that gives you up to 100 miles of range per charge. Thanks to its lightweight build and regenerative braking, it's incredibly efficient. And with the rooftop solar panel, you can trickle charge on the go, making it perfect for off-grid escapes. The driving experience is surprisingly smooth. With 3 wheels and a low center of gravity, it feels stable even on twisty back roads. The digital dash displays all your key info: speed, range, battery status, and solar input. Plus, it's super easy to park. You can slip it into tight spots that regular RVs wouldn't dream of fitting. But the magic really starts when you pull over and settle in. The rear cabin of this tricycle unfolds into a clever camper pod with just enough room for what truly matters. There's a single fold-out bed, modular storage, a foldable table, LED lights, and even space for a small battery-powered stove or a mini water tank. Here's a quick question for you. Could you live in a space this small if it meant freedom to travel wherever you want? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Back to the interior. It's not flashy, but it's smart. Every inch is designed to be multifunctional. Storage tucks under the floor, the table swings up or down depending on your needs, and the seating converts into your bed in seconds. It's kind of like a Swiss Army knife on wheels. What really sets this yellow camper apart is its charm. You can't ignore it. People smile when they see it, and there's a kind of retro-futuristic vibe that makes you want to just ride off into the sunset. And at a starting price of around $12,800, it's also one of the most affordable micro campers available in 2025. If you're looking for a fun, eco-friendly, and ultra-compact camper that lets you live simply and explore freely, the 2025 Yellow Tricycle Camper Home might just be your dream ride. Like the video if it made you smile, drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome camper reviews. Catch you in the next one.